Replacing damaged drain or waste pipes and fittings.
You will need hacksaw, 4 inches diameter UPVC pipe, 4 inches UPVC coupling, solvent cement, ball-peen hammer, paintbrush, sandpaper, and rugs.
Check the leakage location and mark it. Measure and mark the area of leaked pipe to be cut and replaced. Cut the marked pipe using the hacksaw. Deburr the edge of the pipe using sandpaper. If necessary, dry the pipe using a rag. Prepare the coupling and apply the solvent cement. Insert the coupling into one end of the cut pipe. Apply solvent cement inside the hub and its other side. Insert the pipe at the hub side and press it towards the coupling until it tightens. If necessary, apply solvent cement around the connections.